We get questions from insurance companies occasionally, especially after there's been a loss. An old wood crib elevator burned down and they had replacement cost coverage. Ouch. The last wood crib elevator that I know of was 1987. You don't build them anymore. So if you wanted to have reproduction costs, new insurance coverage, reproduction costs would be billed an exact replica of that. Well, you can't do that anymore. And so replacement costs new just replaces that old wood crib elevator or the steel cans alongside of it with something that would give you similar function and utility today. And that leads into a term that is used in the insurance industry called functional replacement cost. And actual cash value that's where you bring in an appraiser after there's been a loss and you figure out what was that facility worth just before the loss occurred, actual cash value. What could you sell it for? And that's where the lawsuits begin between the insurance carriers and the insured. So valuation documentation is critical in these types of situations, and it's important to read your policy. It's incredibly important to read your policy. I have worked with people that thought they had replacement cost coverage, turned out they had actual cash value. And so they would get 50 cents per bushel in the case of a loss instead of the $3 or whatever that it would take to replace it. So read your insurance policy. That's the important part. And then if the insurance company is uncomfortable putting in a new value or determining a new value for it, then it is important to get somebody that knows.